Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, quick, and healthy recipe. To my followers, thank you for being with me again, and for those who are new here, welcome to my channel. Write in the comment your name and the country where you are watching my video. Then I can thank you and greet you on my next video. And today I share another easy, quick, yet super healthy recipe. Easy Greek salad recipe. To start, we need fresh rucola. If this is new to you, arugula is a peppery, distinctive tasting green that originated in the Mediterranean region. It's also known as rucola, salad rocket, and Italian cress. Arugula is a member of the Brassica, or cruciferous family. Have a cut from a cucumber. I don't need many because this recipe is made for single serving. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Cut and slice the cucumber. Cucumber is a vegetable with a low caloric density and a high amount of fiber, water, vitamins, and minerals. Among its main vitamins are vitamin C and vitamin K. These vitamins are antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. Due to its high amount of fiber, cucumber is recommended for cases of constipation. It is highly recommended in weight loss diets because of its low caloric density. The tomato is the edible berry of the plant Solanum lycopersicum, commonly known as the tomato plant. The species originated in Western South America, Mexico, and Central America. Tomatoes are a healthy food choice that can provide many benefits to the body, like protecting against cancer, maintaining healthy blood pressure, reducing blood glucose in people with diabetes, promoting bone health, minimizing skin bruising. Slice thinly a half piece of onion. An onion, also known as the bulb onion or common onion, is a vegetable that is the most widely cultivated species of the genus Allium. Packed with nutrients, onions are nutrient-dense, meaning they're low in calories but high in vitamins, fiber, and minerals. May benefit heart health. Loaded with antioxidants. 1 piece of spring onion, sliced and chopped. Spring onion prevents cold and flu. As it has antibacterial and antiviral properties, it aids in digestion. You can consume spring onions regularly to reduces risk of cancer. Green onions contain potent sulfur lowers blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that sulfur compounds. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us what you would like to see next. Explore our playlist for more healthy recipes. 100 grams feta cheese cut in cubes. Feta is a Greek brined white cheese made from sheep's milk, or from a mixture of sheep and goat's milk. It is soft, with small or no holes, a compact touch, few cuts, and no skin. Crumbly with a slightly grainy texture, it is formed into large blocks and aged in brine. Its flavor is tangy and salty, ranging from mild to sharp. Feta is used as a table cheese, in salads such as Greek salad, and in pastries, notably the filo-based Greek dishes, spanakopita spinach pie, and tirapita cheese pie. It is often served with olive oil, or olives, and sprinkled with aromatic herbs such as oregano. It can also be served cooked as part of a sandwich in omelets and many other dishes. Have a handful of black olives and cut into 2. Olives help to reduce the risk of several types of tumors. They ensure the normal functioning of the digestive system, fight constipation, normalize the work of the gallbladder, restore the gastrointestinal mucosa. They help to accelerate the healing of the skin affected by burns, cuts, bruises. Add 10 grams of Italian-style salad dressing and some drops of olive oil. Now mix gently. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Greek salad or horiadiki salad is a popular salad in Greek cuisine generally made with pieces of tomatoes, cucumbers, onion, feta cheese, and olives, and dressed with salt, Greek oregano, lemon juice, and olive oil. Common additions include green bell pepper slices or caper berries. Greek salad is often imagined as a farmer's breakfast or lunch, as its ingredients resemble those that a Greek farmer might have on hand. Thank you for watching, and I hope enjoy and learn today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Have a happy, healthy meal.